Hello guys, welcome back to the channel as part of our Python programming language series. Today we are going to start a new video where data types. Okay. Now basically data. Data means for example A to Z and 0 to 9 we have all these numbers and all these things, right? So whatever the thing it will form from this, we'll get data like 1, 2, 3 numbers, text, names like Andaman, some names, Raju, and some percentage of your marks 97.3%, and your gender 0 or 1, either male or female, 0, 1. All these are different types of data, different types of data. So computer, we should know, right? Computer will not get confused. So to make understand for the computer, we have categorized this data. So basically, the categorization of data is nothing but data types. What are the different types of data we have? From this, one type of data is 0 or 1. 0 or 1, only two things. This is known as binary alphabets. Then in Python, we'll call it as a Boolean. Boolean. Normal English name is Boolean, but in Python, for simplicity, they will keep name as bool. 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 Okay. Again, strings. Strings. What are nothing but strings means everything. A b ABC, something ABCD, whatever present in double quotes, everything is string. For example, if you write something in double quotes 1 2 3, that is also string. Double quotes 1, that is also string. Double quotes A, that is also string. Everything which is present in double quotes, double quotes, single quotes, triple quotes, everything present in double quote, single quote, triple quote, it is a string. Okay. This is the simple. Computer will make simple rules. If it is 0 or 1 means basically you will not write 0 or 1. 1 means true, 0 means false. Okay. And one more thing, capital true, capital F false. 0 means false, 1 means true. Boolean language, not 0 or 1. True, false. Strings within double quote, single quote, triple quote, anything that is string only. Computer will not think if something inside double quotes, string, that's all. Now numbers, 1 2 3 4 and so on, 9999999, minus 9999999, like this. Minus 999, some 999s to plus 999, everything. It is known as integers, correct? In English we will call integers, but in Python they will call short form. So what they did, Boolean means first four digits, bool. They took bool. Here integers also they took first three letters, int. That's all. Okay. Similarly, if some dot is there, 123.0, 123.123, some 5.6, some dot, zero, nothing. You don't consider anything. 0, 0.0, 0.01, something dot is there. All these numbers, some dot numbers are considered as float. Okay. What are the different categories? One is Boolean, true, false. Boolean, true, false. And string, everything inside single quote, double quote, triple quote. It is known as strings. And what is numbers? 1, 2, 3, all these things, integer, int, int. Okay. Write in Python language only. Bool, string, strings also short form. We will not call entire name string. We'll start from first. Boolean, we'll call bool. Integer we will call int, all numbers. Strings we will call str. Str is nothing but strings. Next, these numbers float as it is. Why? Because if you trim two letters, FLO, flow, it is not good now. So they kept name as it is, float only. These are the four things. Did I miss anything? Flow, Boolean, strings, and integer and float. All these are the four things. And one more thing, you may study it in max, complex numbers, a plus bj form, like 1 plus 2j, 1 plus 3j, or else 5 plus 6j, something like a plus bj. A is one number, a is one integer, b is one integer. In that format, then it is known as complex number. Complex number. Okay. Some more data types are there, nothing but list, tuple, set, dictionary. All these things I will teach in one more video. After some days I will make a video, data structures, sorry, data types part 2. In that I will teach. As part of now we are going in a series, we are learning one by one part. As part of now, this much is enough. What are the basic data types which I thought? Boolean, true, false, correct. Integer, numbers, 1 2 3 4, all these thing numbers. String, within single quote, double quote, triple quote, anything within single quote, double quote, triple quote, it is string. Float, float means some point is there, for example 1 2 3 point, if point is there, it is float. Next, complex, complex numbers are nothing but a plus bj, means 2 plus 3j, 5 plus 4j, like these numbers. Can you make 2.3j? No, nothing is matching with 2.3j, it is not a data type. True, true means boolean, correct. 3, 3 is matching with integer. If I put double quotes inside one, then if double quotes, string, correct. Now similarly tell this true. What is its data type? Boolean, bool, correct. Now 3, just integer, correct. If I keep double quotes 3, it is nothing but string, str, string, string. 3.12, what is this? Float. Even though 3.0, 3.0 is 3 only, but computer will not think any, it will not think point is there, means float. Point is there, float. Again, if double quotes 3.5, it will come from left to right. First double quotes it has seen, double quotes is there, means computer will not think, just it will throw string category, that's all. 3 plus 2j, 3 plus 2j means a plus bj, it is in the format of a plus bj. What is it? Complex. If something like 3 plus 3 plus 2j, 3 plus 3 plus 2j, boolean, no. String, no, double quotes not there, it is not string. Float, dot not there, so it is not float. And complex, a plus bj, but it is not like a plus bj, so I don't know this, it will throw error. I don't know this, what are you giving? Like this it will tell. Okay, these are the data types. And in computer program, for example, if a is variable, if I store 2, 2 is, we understood 2 as integer, right? How to know computer what it understood? For that, print type, type of a, type of a. What it will print means, it will print class, means what class. So fifth class, sixth class, seventh class, eighth class, like that in our school classes will be there, right? Python also, integer class, float class, string class, boolean class, like this. It will print class of int. Okay, class of int. So if I want to show, I will show you. See, I can, you can see the compiler now. For example, a is equals to 2, a is equals to 2. So print, what is the value of a? It is printing 2, correct. Now print type within the brackets a. What is the type of a? It is telling it is a type of integer. Okay, similarly if I am keeping here double quotes, hello, double quotes means computer will tell it is a string. String means in Python language how it is will tell str, correct. See, yeah, it is a class of str. Similarly, if I put 123.2, what it will tell? Float, correct. And true, capital T, capital T. I told not true, false, first letter capital. See, it is telling boolean, bol, bool. If I keep first letter small, does computer know this? No, right? If double quotes is there, if double quotes is there, it will tell string. Why? Because within double quotes everything, whatever the thing, it will, computer will not think, it will tell directly string. If I remove this, see, if I remove this, computer is telling error. True is not defined, true is not defined, it is telling I don't know true, which class it should go. Please rectify this, it is telling please you only take care. Similarly, 2 plus 3j, see, complex. 2 plus 3j is type of complex. Remaining, I told now, remaining some more data types are there, list, tuple, set, I will teach you in after some days. Now by understanding this, do different types of variables. Try 567, try this. See, 567y, computer telling invalid decimal, I don't know what is this. If I put double quotes, then what it will do? It will do string, correct. So like these things we will, if the computer will do like this. and this is the part of this video where we have learned about what is the data type and what are the different basic data types. Slowly we are increasing, day by day we are learning. I hope you are enjoying these sessions. I am covering the concept in very simple way and I am including number of examples. Okay, thank you for watching. If you really like this video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe. Okay, why? Because people are not subscribing, they are watching and they are enjoying and they are leaving. Who will subscribe? If you are watching, you should do, right? If I am watching the video, I will subscribe. If I am watching, will my brother, sister, they will come and subscribe or what? No, right? I should only subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, guys. Please motivate me. Please give some comments, nah. Please give some happy comments. Please give some sad comments. If you don't like this video, please tell that really sorry, I don't like this video like this. Okay, so that I will improve in next videos. If you want to give some suggestions, give in the comments. I will take your suggestions. I will improve my videos in next upcoming video. I will try to notice those things and I will improve. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.